Yo, it's your boy Matt Makes Money, and today I need to talk about Axie Infinity and all the problems that's happening, especially with the servers not being able to make money. And honestly, I spend a good portion of my own money into playing this video game, and it sucks that I'm not able to withdraw or even just play the game at all. But for me, honestly, I was gonna play this game for the long term, so really I understand that this game can't handle the amount of people that want to play it. They can't handle their own growth, which I can't really blame them. This cryptocurrency, I think that cryptocurrency video games are definitely going to be the future, definitely have potential, but it sucks for just being an investor that wants to play the video game and just have fun and just make actual cryptocurrency, which you can convert into money. For me personally, I was making around $18 a day, and for the past around maybe 10 days, I probably haven't been able to play Axie Infinity. But some of it was my own mistake, not being able to breeding an Axie, which learning everything takes 5 days just to hatch, and now you can't even really play the servers because the demand has just been insane. Last month alone, they had maybe $29 million in active trading volume for the entire month of June. Today is July the 22nd, I believe. And just today alone, I checked the markets and I believe there was $30 million in trading volume alone today, which is just insane. The amount of growth that they made more money today in a single day than they made the entire month last month. And just taking numbers that I've heard around the community, they had around 400 active players, active wallets. And I believe their servers or the network, how you play the video game, they can only handle maybe 1 million battles every 2 hours, which for 400,000 players that want to play, I'm playing for maybe like 3 hours. Maybe other people are playing for like 5. They want to be able to handle it. The servers have not been working. You maybe were able to get into a video game, and play a battle so you can hopefully get SOP. That's how you make the money in the game. You would maybe, I was getting into it for maybe 5 minutes, and then the networks just ended. I was probably only able to play 2 games out of 5 games that I tried. I heard a lot of people were experiencing the same difficulties, which I just stopped playing after that because I wasn't going to try to waste my energy inside of the game. And right now you have 0 energy. You would have like 20 before, and the energy was needed so you can actually play the video game. You don't have, it's at 0, and I think that's happening to me. Most likely that's happening to, not hopefully, but mostly probably everyone, because they just can't handle the amount of people that want to play the video game. I understand this, it has reached so much growth, and for me that wants to play Axie Infinity long term, I'm not really too worried. I still believe that I can make back my initial investment, and if I probably can get close to it. I still think there's a lot of demand to play this game, and I think that they just can't handle the servers. I don't think that Axie Infinity is a scam or anything, but I do think that it has a lot of problems. And I'm really not, I wouldn't say too nervous, but it definitely does suck.